Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Casey Neistat, and let's talk YouTube. Today we're diving into something super exciting. We all know the platform is crazy competitive. Standing out is tough, and it feels like everyone is trying to make it big. But what if I told you there's a secret weapon that can give you an edge over the competition? It's AI, and it's changing the game in ways we never imagined. This isn't just hype, it's real. AI isn't just some futuristic tech, it's here now. And it's incredibly powerful. It's a powerful tool right now for finding untapped niches on YouTube. Imagine discovering content areas no one else is exploring. We're talking about hidden corners with passionate audiences hungry for content. These are the gold mines of YouTube. This means less competition and a faster track to growth for you. Imagine hitting those milestones quicker than you ever thought possible. In this video, we're diving deep into how AI can transform your YouTube journey. We'll explore tools, tips, and strategies. We'll break down complex concepts into easy-to-understand steps. No tech jargon, just simple, actionable advice. Whether you're just starting or looking to level up, this video is your guide to unlocking the power of AI for YouTube success. Everyone can benefit from this. Get ready to discover the future of content creation. Let's do this. Stay tuned and let's jump right in. First things first, what's a niche? Think of it like your own little corner of YouTube. It's a specific topic that you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. Could be anything: gaming, cooking, finance, you name it. Now imagine a niche that's practically untouched. That's where the magic happens. Less competition means your videos are more likely to be seen. You can connect with a dedicated audience eager for your unique content. Finding that perfect niche is like striking gold. It's the foundation of a successful YouTube channel. But how do you find these hidden gems? Stay tuned, because AI is about to blow your mind. Remember when finding a niche felt like searching for a needle in a haystack? Those days are over, thanks to AI. Think of AI as your personal YouTube detective. AI tools can analyze massive amounts of data in seconds. They can spot trends, identify keywords, and even predict what people are searching for. This means you get insights that would take you hours, even days, to find manually. But here's the best part. AI can uncover hidden niches that nobody else is talking about. It's like having a secret map leading you straight to YouTube treasure. Sounds pretty awesome, right? Let's face it, building a YouTube channel takes work. But what if you could automate some of the heavy lifting? That's where YouTube automation comes in. Think of it like having a team of virtual assistants working behind the scenes. They can help with tasks like video editing, scheduling uploads, and even responding to comments. This frees up your time to focus on what you do best: creating awesome content. But here's the game changer. You can combine YouTube automation with AI for next-level efficiency. Imagine AI finding your niche and automation tools helping you dominate it. That's a recipe for YouTube success. Section 5. Finding viral niches with AI, a step-by-step guide. Ready to uncover those hidden YouTube gems? Let's dive into the world of AI-driven niche discovery. Here's a simple guide to get you started on your journey to finding viral content. First, let's talk about the tools you'll need. There are tons of AI tools out there designed to help you. Some popular options include TubeRanker, vidIQ, and Google Trends. Each has its unique features. Experiment with these tools and find what works best for you. Next, start with what you're passionate about. Your interests will keep you motivated. Gaming, cooking, travel, whatever gets you excited. Your passion is key. Then it's time to get technical. Input your broad topics into your chosen AI tool. Be as specific as possible. It'll analyze data and suggest related keywords, subtopics, and even potential video ideas. This is where the magic happens. After that, focus on the details. Pay attention to keywords with low competition but high search volume. These are gold mines. These are your golden tickets to niche domination. Finally, let's validate your ideas. Before you go all in, make sure there's an actual audience. This step is crucial. Check for existing channels, communities, and engagement around your chosen niche. This ensures your efforts won't go to waste. Section 6, case study from zero to hero with AI-powered niche discovery. Remember when I started my channel? It was a journey filled with uncertainty and countless hours of hard work. It was all about trial and error, trying to find what worked and what didn't. But imagine if I had AI back then. The possibilities would have been endless. Let me paint you a picture of how things could have been different. Let's say I'm passionate about filmmaking. a field I truly love and want to excel in. But the niche is super competitive, making it hard to stand out. Using AI, I discover a subtopic. DIY filmmaking hacks for beginners, a niche with untapped potential. Low competition, high demand, bingo. This is the sweet spot every creator dreams of. I create videos specifically targeting this niche, providing valuable content to a hungry audience. AI helps me optimize titles, descriptions, and even suggest relevant tags, ensuring my videos are easily discoverable. My videos start ranking higher, reaching a wider audience. With automation tools, I streamline editing and scheduling, saving precious time and effort. This allows me to focus on creating even more high-quality content, enhancing my channel's appeal. My channel grows exponentially, all thanks to AI-powered niche discovery. The future of content creation is here. Section 7, overcoming challenges in untouched niches. Okay, so you found your untouched niche, awesome. But hold up, there might be a few hurdles along the way. Since it's an untouched niche, you might need to put in extra effort to educate your audience. Think of it like being a pioneer, introducing something new and exciting. Another challenge is finding your unique angle. What makes your content stand out? Don't be afraid to experiment and get creative. Remember, you're the expert in your niche, and lastly, be patient. Building a community takes time. Stay consistent, engage with your viewers, and watch your niche flourish. Section 8, monetizing your niche. Turning passion into profit. Now let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, making money. The beauty of finding a successful niche is the potential for monetization. Once you've built a dedicated audience, there are tons of ways to monetize your content. Sponsorships, affiliate marketing, even selling your own products or services. Remember, authenticity is key. Choose monetization strategies that align with your niche and provide value to your viewers. Done right, you can turn your passion into a profitable business. Section 9, the future of YouTube and AI-driven content creation. We're just scratching the surface of what AI can do for YouTubers. As technology evolves, we can expect even more powerful tools and insights. Imagine AI personalizing video recommendations, optimizing content in real time, and even automating entire aspects of channel management. The possibilities are endless. The future of YouTube is all about working smarter, not harder. By embracing AI, you're not just staying ahead of the curve, you're shaping the future of content creation. Section 10, conclusion, embrace the power of AI and start your YouTube journey today. So there you have it. AI isn't just some futuristic fantasy, it's a game changer for YouTubers right now. By harnessing its power, you can uncover hidden niches, streamline your workflow, and grow your channel exponentially. Don't be intimidated by the tech. There are tons of user-friendly AI tools out there waiting to be explored. Start experimenting, have fun, and who knows, you might just stumble upon the next big thing on YouTube. Remember, the only limit is your imagination. Get out there, create awesome content, and let AI guide you to YouTube success. Peace out.